Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am here with my dreads and I wanted to do a quick video with my dreads because I've been traveling. I just got back from Jamaica and I wore my dreads just like this, my locks plain, and I actually been wanting to decorate them, and I'm about to leave again tomorrow on a whole nother trip, and I'm going to Spain, so I wanted to go ahead and decorate my locks for this trip. So I wanted to go ahead and do my decorating of my locks on camera for you guys and show y'all how I'm gonna decorate mine and how to frame your face, basically just like that. It's gonna be a really simple video, but I still wanted to film it for you guys so I have something up with my locks, because who knows, my locks might mess up when I get back, so I might have to like wait a while and like redo them just to make videos with them, because I really wanted to do like hairstyle videos with these. But for now, this is what I got for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and let me go ahead and get started and let's get decorating. Okay, so to decorate, I went on Amazon and I got some gold string and some silver string. I had some gold string in my box braids that I had and I really liked it, so I went ahead and got some on Amazon really quick so that it was here when I came home. But instead of just gold, I went ahead and got gold and silver, because I think I want to mix gold and silver in my hair, because I wear gold and silver all the time, and I don't just want to put gold in my hair and then I'm going to wear silver jewelry and then it's not going to look good. So I'm just going to mix it all. I got these, and then I also have silver hair clips and then gold hair clips, and these are the gold hair clips with the little diamonds on them, the little rhinestones. So, you know, I'm about to look cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull out a lot. I don't have scissors. Great. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out a lot of string and then go get some scissors. So I'll be right back. Hold on. I'm back and I'm better. Okay, I got my little scissors. So basically I'm gonna cut out a long piece of the string because I don't know how long I'm gonna need yet. Yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut out a long piece of the silver one, just as long. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with one of them. And I want to just pick where I want to start. I think I want one in the front, but not too much in the front. So maybe this one right here. Yeah, that'll work. So I want to get this string, and I'm gonna go ahead and loop it around my crochet needle and then close it. And I'm going to just put it through the top of my dread. Oh, actually, ignore that part. I'm just gonna put my crochet needle through the top of my dread. I'm gonna put the string through it. I'm gonna close it. And then I'm going to pull through. So you have the string going through the top and then the bottom. Let me move these other dreads out the way. So now I'm just gonna get the two pieces and I'm just gonna cross, and then just keep crossing down my dread, like so. Like little X's. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I don't like that, actually, so don't do that. I actually don't know how I feel about this gold string. So I'm gonna try one with the silver, and then we'll go from there and we'll see. So I'm just gonna cross over. I don't want the dread to twist, so I'm basically just trying to wrap around the dread while keeping the dread in the same spot. And then I'm gonna stop like close to the end. I don't have to go all the way down. And when I get to the bottom, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie a knot right there. So just tie it once, pull it tight twice. And then with the excess string, you're just gonna cut it off at the end. And there you go, there's one. Just hidden in there, you know. Look how cute, even just one thing in there makes a difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a gold one over here, like in the back. I'm just gonna pull one out and I'm gonna do that gold string. I don't know why I just wasn't feeling the gold in the front, so I'll probably like it more back here. So just pull your crochet needle through it Wrap it around. Pull it through. And when I'm doing it, I'm not doing it tight, because if I do it tight, it's gonna like make the dread. It's gonna make my dread twist and like go like this throughout the yarn. So I just do it lightly. I pull it to where it's around it, not loose, but not tighter than the dread. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stop this one right here. So I'm gonna tie a knot and then cut the extra string off. And voila, there's a second one done. So when it's just hidden in there and it pops, it looks cute. And then I'll probably do another one in the back here somewhere. Maybe like this one with the gold one, so I don't just have silver on one side and gold on the other. I'll have like 3 or 4 of these. You don't want to put too many of these in your hair because it's kind of a lot. You want to give it a little spice, a little taste. You don't want to do too much. You don't want to put too much seasoning in the chicken, but you don't want none, obviously. I'll do like this one back here with the gold. I said I like it. I like dollars. I like diamonds. I like stunning. I like shine. I like $1 million deals. Fashion Nova gonna hit me up with a $1 million deal, or y'all. So Jamaica was amazing. I've never been to Jamaica. That was my first time there, and I had so much fun. It was so pretty. The people were amazing. Like, y'all, when I tell you I've never felt so much love anywhere anywhere ever until I went to Jamaica. I mean, I feel love everywhere, but I'm telling you, there were so many of you guys there, and y'all all like were so supportive, and y'all told me that y'all watch my videos. Oh my gosh, I did not even think I had like that many supporters out in Jamaica. I had no clue. I got stopped at the airport as soon as I landed, and then again they came and found me, and then another girl saw me. Oh my gosh, I thought that was it. But no, every time I went somewhere, people knew who I was, and they told me they watched my videos, and that made me so happy. I don't think you'll understand. Like, what? Y'all be watching me all the way in Jamaica. That's crazy. That's like so crazy. Sometimes I forget like how big my platform is, because I don't know. Sometimes I forget though. Like 2 million y'all, like y'all are everywhere, and I forget that. I don't even think I'm that big. I still have the mindset of me just first starting YouTube. I don't know. So whenever that stuff happens to me, I get so excited. There you go. So there's that one hidden back there. And then I'm trying to see if I should put a silver one up here, or if I should just leave it just one. I put the gold one right there. I might put it close to the gold one actually. I feel like it needs to be in the front, but I don't know if I want one like right in the front. I think I'm just gonna do 3 of those actually. Like, I think that's enough of the string. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in some jewels. My favorite part. You know, I hate opening these kind of things. Like, I don't know what it is, but I always have a problem when trying to open them. I'm glad this one's thin though, so I can just squeeze them out through here. Now I got my silver hair clips, and I'm just gonna pull some of them out. These ones I got off at, no, I didn't get these off of Amazon. I actually got these at a beauty supply store back home, and I don't see silver ones often. So I'm gonna get a few little hair clips, and I'm gonna place them around randomly. So I'm gonna place this one right here in the front, like that. Yeah, I think that's cute. And then I'm gonna put a gold one underneath it. This one has the little jewels on it. Maybe I'll put that one on a separate dread, but further down. And these ones with the jewels are extra thick. And so I was like, wow, I can actually finally use those thick ones. I think I want it higher though. Yeah, I definitely want this higher. I think I'm gonna put this one on the same. There we go. I like the gold and the silver together. It looks cute. It looks cute. Okay. Basically, you just put these things wherever you feel like you want it. Place it on. If you don't like it, take it off. There you go. And then just keep picking random spots. I like putting 2 of them on the same one. So like if I put a silver one right there, I'm gonna put a gold one kind of underneath it because I think it looks cute. Like that. Okay, now I think I'm gonna do a silver string, the other one right here. And wherever the string is, I'm gonna put a clamp at the end of it, like where the knot is, to like hide it and to keep it down there so it doesn't scrunch up, just like that. So where the silver one is, I'm gonna put silver. Where the gold ones are, I'll put a gold. There we go. I'm gonna do one more string on this corner one. So you'll be able to see it when my hair is up, when my hair is pulled to the front. It'll be there, hanging. There we go. Yeah, I think the gold string that I have is like way more gold than my gold clips. So that's probably why I'm like, about it. So I feel like I have good spots done. If I want more, then I'll add more. I'll just take my beads and stuff with me. But other than that, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. There we go. I think I'm done. Dreads are decorated. I don't know exactly what the back looks like right now because I don't have a mirror to look back there, but I'll check it out in a few. I'm gonna show you guys first. Don't judge if it ain't like right. So like I don't like that. You don't need them like exactly all over the place. You just want them in random spots. So that's how I decorated my dreads. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more hairstyles with my locks, then let me know. And I will get to that. I might actually have to redo my locks before I do it. But if y'all do want to see it, then I will redo them just for that video. But yeah, thank you everybody for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, my next upload. See ya later.